drill. Gotta hurry up before we get her screaming. I don't know what happened. I was asleep. I just woke up. I'm gonna put you right here because Caitlin may come out. And I gotta hurry up. See, that was gonna happen one day when I was in my bedroom. No one tells me when they're cooking something. And Caitlin didn't get rage, and thank goodness. Here's what happened. We're making chicken. Don't touch the fan. It smells very bad. What kind of chicken is this? Is that the skillet you were talking about that sets things off? Ah. And you need to wake me up and tell me this stuff. Judy needs to go to her crib. I'm gonna... I'm not turning the fan back off. Is she even okay or no? Don't think so. No. She's scared. Oh, I think it's making more, yeah.
No, I'm blowing some water to clean the pot.
Do not go outside. Not for you. Go way down. That was a close call. Had the alarms going off for over a minute. She's scared. I was waking up and then I heard the alarms sound. Glad my sister didn't get all upset because I was not prepared for this one. Keep the fan on until the smoke gets out. Dude, that's the room for the alarm. Oh shoot, my phone's going off. It's 5. I gotta go hurry up and shut the phone off. I don't hear it. Or did I shut it? Oh, now it just went. Now it's going off. Yep, there you go. Well, that was an unplanned fire drill when I was still asleep. Glad I woke up in time. Well, wasn't really prepared. In about 2 more minutes and we can shut the fan off. And she's shaking. Yeah, she's shaking. She don't like it. Let me go see when these smoke's cleaned. Guess we can give it a shot real quick. Give it a shot. Hopefully it doesn't go off again, or Caitlin's gonna get mad. We'll give it about 2 minutes for free. Sorry, guys. See, this is what happens one day. They don't tell me and the fire alarm's go off and I'm asleep or something's going on. I'm glad Caitlin didn't flip out about it. I'm glad my sister didn't start flipping out about this stuff. Having to come run down here, getting the stupid fan out, and I was upstairs in my room. We missed the activation. I'm giving it about a couple more minutes before I can put the fan up and make sure it's all cleaned out. Yep, I was asleep. I'm gonna test this carbon dioxide real quick, so I might see. Hold on. I might test this carbon dioxide real quick. There you go. I should have done a walk around to make sure everything worked, but I was just so upset about something else we didn't have time. But I'm gonna set this fan off real quick to make sure it still works. I'm gonna try to cover it. Why? There it goes. It's loud. It still works, so carbon dioxide's tested. I'm not setting that one. I'm not setting that one this is it. This is our monthly fire drill, I guess. It smells very bad. When I don't know about things. That's why I said. That's why I was upset because I didn't know about it and wasn't prepared. I was asleep, so no one told me about this. It's done. We waited a couple minutes. It hasn't gone back off, so we're done. Going back to my room now. So this is it. That was our fire drill for the month. Yeah, you gotta do a better job of telling me when they're cooking stuff from the skillet. Sorry, Caitlin. I tried to shut it off as soon as I could.